Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment, I found the one, and my life had found its missing piece. So as long as I live, I love you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Astaghfirullahaladzim alladzi la ilaha illa huwa wa billahi asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna muhammadar rasulullah. Allahumma shalli ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala Muhammad. Garari bin Syarifuddin
Halun tua
gugata lung penikah anik lung Desi Amalia dengan jelame di Kemangblak Panyamu tunai.
Lun terima nikah Desi Amalia anak ayah tu ulun tuan dengan jelame di 15 manyamah tunai. Tuan saksi sah.
Say to the world, you're my every reason. You're all that I believe.